Today I'll teach you how to save your JPEG image as PDF on iPhone. In another word, how to convert a JPEG image to PDF. So right now this is my JPEG image over here, which I just downloaded from Google. So if I want to convert it to a PDF, I can click on the arrow pointing up button at the bottom left corner and then click on where it says print. Once you click on print, it's going to take you to the printing section. But at the top again, you can see a arrow pointing at the top right corner. You want to click on that. Once you click on it, as you guys can see, it shows you photo, and under photo it shows you PDF document. Now to confirm this conversion, you need to click on where it says save to files. Now it's going to ask you where you want to save it in file. So you can choose the destination and where you want to save it. But I want to save the PDF on this place inside my phone's file. So I will click on save at the top right. Once you save it on your file, just close your gallery and open your files now. And inside the files, navigate to the section where the photo or the PDF you just saved. So I saved it on this location and it clearly shows my PDF over here. I can hold on this, click on get info, and as you guys can see, it is converted into PDF. That's how you guys can save a JPEG as PDF on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. And as I said, you cannot just save your JPEG into PDF. You have to convert the JPEG to PDF, alright? So first download the JPEG and then convert it to PDF. That's the simple way to do this. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe. Bye-bye.